Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Hope you all like my previous videos, and today I'm here again to give review of another skincare product which is about a night cream, and the product is this. It's a sleeping mask from the Innisfree brand. I have told you earlier that Innisfree is a very well-known brand and it's a #1 Korean brand, and the product is actually Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask. It's a very good and very fabulous night cream, and you may call it a sleeping mask because it acts as a mask and as a cream as well. So first come about its price, the quantity and the package of the product. So this particular one, this product, I have purchased it from the Nykaa online store. You can find it on any online store. I am giving the link in my description box so that you can easily check it out. It has cost me $11.50 and it contains 80 ml, and it's a little bit costlier product because I have told you the reason earlier in the previous videos too. And it comes in this kind of light green colored bottle, a tube, and it has a covering like this, a white colored covering, and a nozzle like this, so that a minimum amount comes out of the container and the product also does not get out of the container and does not create mess. So what are the benefits of using this particular night cream or this particular sleeping mask? Firstly, that it contains the goodness of green tea, so it is very good for the oily skin and also for the acne prone skin, and it helps to give your skin a very baby soft look and a very supple look. It helps to conditions your skin as well, and also hydrates up your skin. If you have dehydrated skin, it will give a very supple look. It makes your skin very much supple, very much hydrating. And applying this night mask, this night cream or sleeping mask during the night time, and when you wake up in the next morning, you can literally feel that your skin has become very much baby soft, and your skin has a dewy finish, a dewy glow, and a very brighter look, lighter complexion. And also your skin has become very much rehydrated. It gets absorbed into your skin well, and it penetrates deepest layer into the skin. It has a very much benefit and very much good product is this. And the result that I have get from using this product is that my skin has become very much youthful, very much lighter complexion, very much soft, and very much hydrated and supple, and it helps to repair my skin and also helps to combat with the oily skin because of the goodness of this green tea. So use this night cream, use this sleeping mask daily, and include this one, particularly this Innisfree brand, Innisfree product in your nighttime regime, so to get a very good and youthful and very baby soft like skin. I'm using this product from the past 4 months, and within just use of the 4 months, I have seen a wide difference, a very much great difference from my previous and after skin, because I have literally felt my skin, how much my skin has become soft and how much my skin has become brighter. So if you want to get a very soft and brighter look, and also you have the problem of oily skin too, so I must suggest that go for this one. This is a very fabulous and very superb product, I must say. If you want to ask me the rating of this product, I can't give below 5-star rating to this product. For me, it's a lovable and 5-star rating product. I can't give 4.5, or even I can't give 4.9 to this product. It's a 5-star for me. So guys, go for this one, this product particularly if you are having the problem and if you want to get a very beautiful look. So it's all about my today's video about the review of the Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask. Hope you guys like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the new video whenever I put it into my channel. And also comment on in the comment section that what night cream or what sleeping mask you follow for yourself, and if you are following this particular one, this product, then also let me know that what benefits you are getting from this product. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye.